Hello dear students, today we will discuss existence condition of Laplace transform theorem. So let us start the existence condition of Laplace transform. Here is the theorem. Suppose ft is a piecewise continuous in every finite interval and is exponentially order a as t tends to infinity, then f is exists if s is greater than a. That is Laplace transform exist. In the other words, an alternative statement of this existence is if ft is a function of class a. We have already discussed the class of a function a. Then the Laplace transform of ft exists and for all s greater than a. Or a function ft is sectionally continuous in every finite interval 0 less than equal to t less than equal to t0 and is of exponential order a as t tends to infinity, then L of ft such that s exists for s is greater than a. तो इस तरीके से हम लोग देखते हैं कि तीन स्टेटमेंट है एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म का. तो प्रॉब्लम इस तरीके से भी पूछा जा सकता है कि existence of Laplace transform, suppose ft is a piecewise continuous in every finite interval and is exponential order a as t tends to infinity, then ft exists for s is greater than a. That is Laplace transform exist. नहीं तो इस तरीके से स्टेटमेंट दिया जा सकता है प्रूफ करने के लिए कि ft is a function of class a, then Laplace transform of ft exists for all s greater than a. या नहीं तो इस तरीके से भी क्वेश्चन दिया जा सकता है कि अगर एफ टी सेक्शनली कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन है एवरी फाइनाइट इंटरवल में, तो एक्सपोनेंशियल ऑर्डर ए एज टी टेंस टू इन्फिनिटी, देन एल ऑफ एफ टी सच दैट टी एग्जिस्ट फॉर ऑल एज ग्रेटर देन ए. तो इस तरीके से तीन स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड जो है ना एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म पूछा जा सकता है. नाउ लेट अस start the proof of this statement. Let ft be a piecewise continuous in every finite interval and of exponential order a as t tends to infinity. This is nothing, this is the statement of the theorem. Now we have to prove that fs exists for all s greater than a. So let t naught greater than 0, then fs equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. This is the definition of Laplace transform. Because we have taken t0 greater than 0, that's why the limit becomes 0 to t0 and t0 to infinity. So 0 to t0 e to the power minus st ft dt and t0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. तो इस तरीके से Laplace ट्रांसफॉर्म 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e टू दी पावर माइनस एस टी एफ टी दो पार्ट में कन्वर्ट हो गया, 0 टू t0 e टू दी पावर माइनस एस टी एफ टी डी टी एंड t0 टू इन्फिनिटी e टू दी पावर माइनस एस टी एफ टी डी टी. Continuity of ft in a finite interval 0 to t0 implies that 0 to t0 e to the power minus st ft dt exists, because this is continuous for ft is a finite interval 0 to t0. That implies that this part 0 to t0 e to the power minus st ft dt exists. Now remaining part of the, now we have to show the remaining part. Remaining part is t0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. So here it remains to show that t0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft exists for s is greater than a. For this, ft is exponential order a as t tends to infinity implies that limit t tends to infinity e to the power minus st ft is a finite, that is given a number t0 there exists a real number m greater than 0 such that modulus of e to the power minus st ft less than m for all t greater than equal to t0. That implies modulus of ft less than e to the power st ft e to the power st into m for all t greater than equal to t0. Now modulus of t0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt less than equal to t0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt, then it becomes the integration 0 to t0 to infinity e to the power minus st modulus of ft dt less than equal to t0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and modulus of ft is m of e to the power at dt as I have discussed above. So m should be outside, then integration becomes t0 to infinity e to the power minus t s of s minus a dt. So the integration is e to the power minus s minus a divided by s minus a when s is greater than a. Finally, we get modulus of t0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt less than equal to this part, less than equal to m of e to the power minus of s minus a s minus divided by s minus a. Therefore, the term m of e to the power minus of s minus a divided by s minus a can be made as small as we please by choosing a sufficiently large. Hence, integration over t0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt exists for all s greater than a. Hence proved. Thank you.